Again in this channel. On today's video I'm going to show you how to register on Canva Pro. So there are a few plans on Canva that you can use: the free plans, the Pro, Enterprise, Education, and non-profits. So the Pro plan is for individual and small team who want more advanced tool and more content. So it is usually used for you, a graphic designer or work related. So if you want to register on the Canva Pro, you can just go to the canva.com/pro and then just sign up. Click on sign up, and here you can choose whether you want to sign up with your work email, or you can also continue with your email or Facebook or your Google account. So for example, you can just sign up with your work email. Just type in your work email here and then continue. For example, like this. And create your password here, and then the next thing that you need to do is choose the subscription plan. I'm going to show you the subscription plan that I use now. So when you're done typing the password, Canva will allow you to choose the plan. Okay, I'm going to go to my Canva that I've already subscribed before. Okay, so here you can see the subscription for Canva Pro. They are monthly and yearly plan. You can just choose one of them. So when you're done typing your password, the next step is you choose the plan for you, whether you want to work it for monthly or yearly. Okay, so that's it from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.